Hey, welcome back to Byte-Sized Computer Science. Today, we will be going over a fundamental topic that is not limited to computer science. This topic can be applied in many fields and even in everyday life to help make sense of quantities. This topic is bases. Bases are a fundamental topic for the computer science UIL test and can be applied in many other areas in your life. Whether we realize it or not, we use one base on the daily. Commonly, we use what is known as base 10, which is our standard system for counting and for numbers in general. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin this lesson, we must start by going over the base that we commonly use in our everyday lives. That is base 10. To visualize base 10, imagine that you have little unit cubes. For your first 9 cubes, you are representing your units value. After that, if you add one more, you will be in the double digits, so you add a cube to your tens column. Let's use a different color for that so that we can more easily understand what we are building. If we repeat this process 8 more times, we will have 9 of our red tens cubes and no blue units cubes. If we were to repeat this process one last time, we would have to use yet a new colored cube. Let's use green to symbolize the hundreds place. Starting to see a trend? In the system that we count today, we cannot reach the number 10 in a single digit. Instead, we add a new digit to the left to symbolize that there are 10 of the next number. Simply put, we don't have a digit for that. Now, imagine if we didn't have the number 9. Think. If we didn't have the number 9, we would be switching to adding a number on our second digit as soon as we reached our value that would represent our non-existent 9. Using our cubes, we can represent how high we can go in the space. Knowing that we cannot build a 9, we would use 8 blue cubes, and then we would be obligated to add a red cube to represent the number 9. Now, every digit that is not in the units place represents 9 of the unit to the right. So, if we were to write 100, we would have 1 of 9 of the unit to the right, which is in fact 9 of the unit to the right, which, at that point, we're at the units. Hence meaning that we have 1 times 9 times 9 times 1. Complicated, right? We can simplify this to being 9 squared. This gives us that 100 in what is known as base 9, as we cannot go all the way up to the number 9, but alas, only to 1 before it, would be 81 in our common base, base 10. I'm going to leave it at that for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.